Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google device to Fairphone 5. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Fairphone. Also on Google, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!